Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G82 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube. Now press this button on the top of the screen and select your TV. Thanks to that, your smartphone will connect with the TV. And now you can enter any video you would like, and it will be played on the TV. To disconnect your smartphone from TV, again press this button and tap disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.